Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Netmirror in iPhone home screen. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your browser and go to Netmirror official website. On the Netmirror website, once you're there, click on the share icon which has an arrow pointing upwards within a box. Next, scroll down and click on Add to Home Screen. Then, click on Add. This will add the specific website to your home screen as an app. Once the app is on your home screen, you'll be able to select it and it will open up the website within your Safari browser. And there you go. So that's basically how you can add Netmirror in iPhone home screen. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.